Hi everyone, I have set up our blogs and I wanted to kind of walk you through a little bit about them so you have an idea of how to kind of get started. So right now I'm in Blackboard, and I just wanted to remind you that you can always come through here to find it to get to the blog. And you just go to assignments, blogging assignment, and then when you click on Counseling Practicum blog, it will show up. I don't believe you can log in from here, but you can at least get the URL from that site. So once again, you'll go to blogging assignment and then Counseling Practicum blog. Now, you should have received an email from me. If you didn't get this email, then there's something wrong, so we need to figure that out. So what it says is your new Edu blog has been successfully set up. It'll give you your username and password, which you can change, and then it'll show you where you can log in. And then down here, it'll say something about being a pro user, and you guys are already a pro user, so don't worry about that. So what you're going to do is you're going to log in, and you're going to use the username and password that I set up for you. So right now, this is sort of just an account that I use to show everyone how to navigate the site. So this is where you'll come in at. And this is what is considered your dashboard. And you can do almost anything from here. If you want to see what your blog looks like, you will go to, oh my goodness, you'll go here to visit site. So this will show you what your blog looks like right now. When you go to visit site, it'll be some generic post that they kind of just tell you about it. One good thing is that you can click on these different resources to get an idea of how it works and how you can set things up. So that's that. But to do anything with your blog, you're going to come here to your dashboard. So this week I want you to write a new post. You can either go here and just click post, and you can delete the post that you already have. You can edit it and just write whatever you want in there. So delete what's here and write it. Or you can go to add new and add a new post. And so we're just going to go in here and type in a little welcome. Now, if you wanted to insert a photo, you would click up here and you could add an image. And what that will do is it will take you to choose a file. So if you have a picture saved on your computer, or if you want to save one off of the internet, you can also upload any other sort of media files. You can upload music. You can also add a link. And so you can copy and paste the link in here that may be to a YouTube website or something like that. And as we go along, I'll show you some more things. So once you're done, you can preview to sort of see what that would look like, what your site would look like. And then this allows people here, people can comment. However, in order to make sure that it's actually on there, you must remember to click publish. And then your thing is up, and you can go to visit site again to see that. One other thing I want to show you briefly in the dashboard is you can go to dashboard and you can go to appearance, and you can manage your themes, which means you can kind of give it a different sort of look. So right now I am going to change this here. And this kind of shows you how you can change your look. And so you can kind of play around with that if you want. One more thing I'd like to bring your attention to is in your blogs, you're going to have my blogs, and you'll have your Practicum blog, which is your site, and then you'll also have the Counseling Practicum blog. You can go here and visit this site, and here everyone else's blog is here, so you can look at that.